Here's how to make your own welcome home banner with balloons. Whether you're welcoming home your husband or wife from overseas or your kids from college, or just about anyone else whose return you want to celebrate in style. This project only takes less than 10 minutes and costs around $60, but the impact it will have on its recipient will be priceless. Let's get started. All you need is a computer and an internet connection to order your banner. You can also find welcome home banners near me by going to Zazzle.com. I have already provided a link down below in the description. If you want a personalized welcome home banner, you can design one yourself or purchase one online, which I have prepared for you. Welcome home banner ideas can be found all over the internet, but the best way to find the perfect design for your needs is to search for Glitchman 2 welcome home banners in the Zazzle store. Make sure to click the link in the description to be taken to the design in this video. Now that you have the design on your screen, it's time to start making your own welcome home banner. You won't need any supplies since the design is already provided. Tap the Personalize button to make the banner even more your own. Once you have the design the way you want it, select what size that will work for your event. Notice this design can fit several different sizes. The best sizes to use this design are 2.5 foot by 4 foot, 3 foot by 5 foot as the default size, 4 foot by 6 foot, and 6 foot by 10 foot. Notice you can scroll through the pictures to see what size the banner will be and how it will look once it is printed with your size and design. Truly a powerful site when it comes to print on demand. You'll need your welcome home banner. Please, give Zazzle 3 days for printing and the extra shipping time for whichever shipping option you choose. Once it arrives at your home, make sure to open it up and verify how it looks. Next, you'll need some balloons. You can use any color or combination of colors that you like. If you prefer just to use the balloons that are printed on the banner, you can do that as well. Finally, you'll need some 3M command strips to hang the banner. We have a link to those in the description. These command strips will help hang the banner. Use ribbon to hang your balloons around the banner to whatever way you feel looks the best. Putting the balloons together with the banner will really make this banner stick out. Remember to have this banner low enough, as well as markers easily accessible so people can sign the banner and add their personal messages to it. This makes the event even more special. Make sure to like and share the design so you can return to it in the future if you ever need this design for future events. You never know when a friend or a relative might need the link. It's always good to be prepared. Doing this method will save you a lot of time and money. By the time you go out and buy all the supplies required for this project, you already have 2 hours into it, plus you still have to put it together. Where with this method you can simply customize the design, see how it looks beforehand, place it, and then all you have to worry about is getting the balloons and markers. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Cheers!